In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a menu item to a specific section ID on your Wix page. This is a great way to streamline your website navigation and provide your visitors with a seamless browsing experience. Let's dive right in. First, open your Wix editor and navigate to the Menus and Pages section on the left-hand side. This is where you'll manage all the pages and subpages of your website. If your menu isn't already visible, click on it to expand and explore the different pages you have. Next, select the menu item you want to link to a section on your page. This could be anything from your About Us section to a specific product service. Click on your chosen menu item to open its settings and you'll see several options pop up. Here, you're looking for the option that says Link. Go ahead and click on it. Now, it's time to choose where this link should direct your visitors. Since we want to link to a certain section ID on your page, click on Anchor within the link options. An anchor is basically a bookmark that you can set anywhere on your page. It allows you to jump directly to that part of the page, which is incredibly helpful for long scroll websites or pages with a lot of content. After clicking on Anchor, you'll need to anchor the specific section you're targeting. Move back to the Wix editor and locate the section you want to link to. If you haven't already added an anchor to this section, this is a good time to do it. Click on Add at the top of your editor, then choose More, followed by Anchors. Now drag the newly created anchor to your desired location on the page. Customize the name of this anchor so that it reflects the section it is pointing to. It's important to choose a clear and meaningful name to avoid confusion later. With the anchor in place, return to the menu item settings and link it to the anchor you've just created. Click on Done to confirm your changes. This action ties the selected menu item directly to the specific part of the page where the anchor sits. Remember, the anchor name you chose should appear as an option when setting the link. Finally, go ahead and preview your site to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Click on the preview button in Wix Editor, navigate to your newly linked menu item, and ensure it directs to the correct section of the page. If everything is working as expected, you're all set. By following these steps, you've created a streamlined path for visitors to navigate directly to the most relevant sections of your website. This not only enhances user experience, but also keeps your website looking professional and intuitive. And there you have it, linking a menu item to a specific section ID on your Wix page. Thank you for joining this tutorial and happy editing.